My name is Evelyn. I am in the coaching industry, mom of 2 kids, 11 and 7 years old. As a coach, I know that this is really important to work on ourselves and also for our clients, for make them better. I needed to work with Farah, especially attending her workshop, because I needed to have more clarity on my business, and also I needed to overcome my fears that avoid me to develop my business. During the workshop, Farah gave a lot of her energy. You met a lot of people, great people, and thanks to her, I realized what is the meaning of my life. So thank you for that, and I highly recommend to attend her workshop. Thank you.